Good morning, students. Today you will learn spelling from your WPS book, page number 31. Okay. Before reading the spelling, at first you need to break the word into syllables. Then you can easily understand the pronunciation and you can recall the spelling also. At first, see the word sack. S-A-C-K, sack. Okay, here you can find out only one syllable, sack, but there are two sounds. SA is sounded as sa and CK is sounded as ka, sack. Okay, sack means you all know that it's a big bag made of something hard material. Then packet, P-A-C-K-E-T, packet. Okay, there you can find out two syllables in a word up to which part you can pronounce at a time, that is called one syllable. So pa is pronounced at a time, pa, pa, it is sounded as pa. And then ket, C-K-E-T, C-K is sounded as ka, C-K-E-T, ket. This is another syllable, ket, packet. These two syllables together make this word packet. And packet means, you know, it's a container made of paper or polythene. The next one is shoes. SH is sounded, listen to the sound, shoe, sh. Okay, SHOES, shoes. Shoes means, you all know, we wear it at our feet when we go outside. Here you can also find out only one syllable, but the sound you need to understand, shoes, SH, sh. Then loaf, L-O-A-F, loaf. Here see, O-A is sounded as O. A is not separately sounded. O-A is together sounded as O. L-O-A-F, loaf, but only one syllable. Okay, and loaf means a quantity of bread. Okay, bread quantity is called loaf. Coal, C-O-A-L, coal. Okay, here also OA is pronounced as O. A is not separately pronounced. So C-O-A-L, coal. Coal means, we know that it's a dark colored rock which is used as fuel. In earlier days, coal was used to run train, or coal was used in the oven to cook something, right? This is called coal. Okay, only one syllable. But remember, OA is sounded as O. A is not separately sounded. Then meat, M-E-A-T, meat. Okay, here EA is also sounded as E. A is not separately sounded, but only one syllable. You can pronounce it at a time, meat. M-E-A-T, meat. Meat means, we know that a flesh of an animal, that is called meat, and we love to eat meat. Okay, it's a food. See, now the next word is pound. Okay, P-O-U-N-D, pound. See, here O-U is sounded as ow, O-U-N-D, ound, and when we are adding P with it, it is sounded as pound, but only one syllable. Pound means a unit of measurement, like 1 pound equal to 450 gram, like this. Okay, then trousers, see, T-R-O-U, trow, one syllable, then another syllable, zers. Here S is pronounced as z, A-C-R is zers. Trousers. Okay, trousers means a loose kind of full pant. Trousers, T-R-O-U, trow, A-C-R-S, zers. And here O-U is sounded as ow, and when we are adding T-R with it, it sounds like trow. Okay, then the next one, chocolates, three syllables, C-H-O. C-H is sounded as ch, and when we are adding O with it, it will sounded like cho. Cho, co, C-O, co, C-H-O, cho, C-O, co. Let's, L-A-T-E-S, let's, chocolates, okay, chocolates. Chocolates, you all know the meaning of chocolates, you love to eat chocolates. So here O is not, see in the first syllable CHO, O is not clearly pronounced. We pronounce it like cho, Coko, and then let's, so chocolates, okay. And CO is also pronounced as K, CHO, Coko, chocolates. Then salt, CALT is alt, and when we are adding S with it, it will sound like salt. Salt means it's a food ingredient, we use it to cook. Fruit, FRUIT, RUIT, oot, it is pronounced or sounded as oot, and when we are adding FR, it will sound the sound is like fruit. Fruit means we know it's also a healthy food. Then bread, BREAD, see READ, red, and when we are adding B with it, it will sound, the sound will be like bread, and bread is also a food which we have at the time of breakfast. Okay students, now you have to read the spelling with correct pronunciation at home. Thank you students.